Hello explorers, today we are going to review glowing sphere with nodes project of mine. We are going to use a sphere and a cube for that. We are going to review the geometry nodes setup and a material node setup. So first we see the general view. Don't worry about the background, the cube 001, you don't have to put that. I changed later with the studio dropback, as you seen in the thumbnail photo. Let's start with the geometry nodes for the cube. Yeah, this is the general view of the geometry node setup for the cube. It's parented with the sphere. Yeah, we use cube and icosphere and connected to instance of on points node, and we use a curve, the arc. Also the second instance on points. You can pause whenever you like to connect the nodes each other, and I zoomed in that you can see the parameters and the numbers clearly. As you see, this is the first stage of the node connections. Let me arrange it for you for better looking. As you see, and I will slide the screen slowly. Make sure you can see clearly. Yes. And we keep going. Also, we use set material node. If you use geometry nodes, you have to use set material node because you cannot apply any material directly to the object without this. I apply some simple animation for stroking, expanding and shrinking of the frame blocking the cube. I made the black frame. Yeah, extrude mesh is very useful. With the geometry nodes you can determine which side, which faces or edges or vertices to be applied. Yes. So here's our frame setup with geometry nodes. Let's check the shading nodes after that. This is a simple one with the principal BSDF and material output. As I said, don't worry about the cube 001. This is for background. It also made of shading nodes, the material for that. But you don't have to use that. You can use different scene for the background. This is also a simple node setup for shading. We don't have any geometry node setup for the background. Let's check this shading nodes for the sphere. Yes. Also, this is very simple and basic material with high emission set. As you see, we can make it kind of metallic looking material, but it's all up to you. You can change with whatever you like. It's all up to your taste. As you see, animation is going on, and you can use this as a sci-fi asset, like a weapon or a device, whatever. As you see, sphere and the cube is parented under the sphere. Let's check again the geometry nodes. But first, the general view. Sphere, we didn't need any geometry in the setup, just its sphere. As you see, it's very simple setup, but looking good. Yeah, you can design in a short time. This is for the background, the cube 001. As I said, you don't have to use a cube as a background. Yeah, our render engine is Eevee for this. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please consider like and subscribe. Thank you.